I wake up at 7:30, ready for my day with Northcoders. I start off with a large breakfast and vitamins to keep my mind sharp. I'll look over today's notes and find any links before the first lecture at 8:45. This lecture lasts between 1 and 2 hours, detailing a specific topic such as OOP in Python or connecting SQL databases together. I usually stand during my lecture so I can stretch my legs and wiggle a little. After, we split off to our daily sprint. These are a series of tasks designed to get some practical practice. Often the best resource here is your Zoom partner while you do pair programming. However, we have the Slack group, which is a fantastic resource for different points of view when stuck. At 12:30, we have an hour lunch break. I'll often have something batch cooked, providing a quick, great boost in the middle of the day. It's also good to stretch your legs, get some fresh air. Feeding the wildlife never goes amiss. At 1:30, we usually have a seminar. These are smaller classes which promote directly interacting with the tutor and asking many more questions. Sometimes they split up by how well you're doing in the early sprint, so there's always something to pick up here. The remainder of the day is spent continuing with practical sprint challenges up until 5 o'clock. Often I'll link back up with my partner when the official channel closes, finish a task, or refactor my code to be more efficient. It's good to relax and avoid burnout. Thankfully, despite being the dead of winter, I can revert my desk to a virtual helicopter in a few short moments. Weekends are spent looking over notes or challenges, wishing it's warm enough to go paddleboarding or motorbiking, or of course just enjoying the great British weather.